show. This is 40-inch LED TV Samsung 6000 series. It is C model, 4000C. It means that it is 2010. So as you see that it is 100 Hz motion plus and all share full HD ultra clear panel and has 4 HDMI channels. And as I told you, it is 40-inch. We bought it from Turkey, Istanbul, Bilishim. As addition to TV, they gave us HDMI cable, this one. And addition to this, they gave device to connect to the wall. So you will be witness of our opening box. 40-inch LED TV of us. Now you should be careful while opening because you shouldn't cut it so deep. So I'm opening my knife like this, so small. And I'm opening it. Even I don't need to use my knife. So we are opening it.
What's inside? What's inside?
As you see that we have TV panel. From here you can see. It has touch screen here. You can operate with touching it here. And I will turn back to show you the back side of it. I will connect the leg of TV here because I will use it without connecting to wall. So here are entrances. Or let me show it for you. 4 HDMI entrance here and common interface and audio entrances here. So this TV is not totally wireless. It is wireless ready. You need to buy one more device to make it totally wireless. And we will connect its leg. I will show you what is the rest in the box. So the book, manual. This is the devices and cables. I'm opening it. One more device for back power. And controller. Controller is not that much cool for this TV. It is even, we can say, ugly. As you see, it is not glossy or shiny. This is for SCART to HDMI power cable. Cables, you can see, and for covering cables, for sound system, and you know it's also for, you can see they are made in China.
No, we don't see.
These
No,
are
we
made
don't
in-
see.
we
It's
are
5
made in
megapixel camera, we don't see.
And you can easily guess what is it for back side.
What?
This is for back side to fixing cover, and this is for the cable turning easily, and 4-5 pieces of screws and
Tissue.
and 2 batteries for controller. And this side, you can see the leg. This is the leg. It is a little bit heavy, so it's easy to lift the TV, and it is so nice to not let TV move or fall. So I will make addition part to my video to show to you the end part of what is at the end after setting up all the things. Bye for now.
Bye.